everyone, welcome back to this new video, and in this video I am going to explain the latest cue card for May to August 2021. The cue card topic is describe a natural talent you want to improve, and it could be like sports, music. You have to tell what talent it is. So let's get started with the video. So the cue card is, I'll repeat the statement. Describe a natural talent you want to improve like sports, music, what it is, when you discovered that, how you want to improve it, and how you feel about it. So when you plan for this cue card, you can talk for any kind of natural talent that you possess and you want to improve it further, you want to adopt that particular talent as your profession. So you can talk about anything, like you can talk about any games, sports, cricket, football, hockey, any kind of games you can talk about. And then you can talk about singing, like you want to be a singer, you are good in singing but you are not up to the level of a professional singer, so you want to like further enhance that. Or otherwise you can say like I want to be a dancer, I'm very good in dancing but I want to know about professional dancing or like classical dance, fine. Otherwise you can talk about painting, like you're very good in drawing and you want to further enhance this particular talent. So you have various options that you can speak in this particular cue card. Now here in the sample answer that I'm going to provide you, I'll be talking about painting only, fine. So here is the Band-Aid sample answer. So I read the answer for you. So I'll start. I think God has gifted every person with a unique talent, and the most important thing is that one should recognize their talent and strive it towards success. Here I would like to talk about my natural talent of painting that I would love to improve. There are many types of painting styles such as oil painting, watercolor painting, pastel painting, pencil sketch and so on. But I would like to delve deep into the art of pencil sketch. Since my school days, I was keen to draw various figures on my notebooks with my pencil. Last year on my mother's birthday, I planned to gift her portrait sketch by me. The moment I completed the drawing, I realized that it was hidden talent in me and I never bothered to polish it. Moreover, all my family members highly appreciated my painting and advised me to excel further, especially since my mother was on cloud 9 after seeing her handmade portrait. From that day, I made my mind to learn this art by heart and to start drawing professionally. There are numerous benefits of this art. When I start painting, my mind gets fully relaxed as it works like a stress buster for me. These days, I have started taking online classes to learn more about painting, and I'm pretty confident that I would surely foster this talent soon. So guys, this is the cue card answer. Now we'll go towards the follow-up questions. So here are the follow-up questions. So the first follow-up question is, do you think artists with talent should focus on their talents? So answer would be yes. According to me, it is absolutely important that artists should give complete attention towards their talent, because in this competitive world, one can only become successful if he or she is completely passionate about their work. So the next question is it possible for us to know the children who are 3 or 4 years old will become musicians or painters when they grow up? So answer, well, it is hard to know that children at this tender age will become the musician or the painter, because at this small age children are interested in many different activities as they are keen to learn numerous things. So one cannot decide about the particular field in which their child would love to accelerate when they grow up. Next follow-up question. Do you think parents feel guilty for putting too much pressure on their children? Well, I think in this era of cutthroat competition, parents are increasingly worried about the career of their children. So to prepare them to face any difficult situation in their future, parents are now putting pressure on them. In my opinion, parents should limit the pressure and try not to overburden their child, as it is the right of children to enjoy their childhood. Another question, why do people like to watch talent shows? So answer is, I guess people like to watch talent shows because it gives them an opportunity to see what different kinds of natural abilities are possessed by different human beings. Moreover, these shows bring real talent and help those persons to achieve success by making them world famous. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like my efforts, if you like the content of this channel, then please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you very much.